the following proposition to that one. Given the evidence of Brigadier Gininda regarding events of the 23rd of 2020 at Pretoria North Police Station, Pretoria Moot Police Station, regarding your interaction with him and Mr. Mjiako in the cells.
Uma senza ke isifinyezo noma sikufinyeza ke sithi ke masithatha ke ubufakazi bakhe uBrigadier Gininda ngalokho okwenzeka ke ePolice Station yase Pretoria Moot nge-23 zika June 2020.
Sorry, it's Pretoria North.
Pretoria North.
Yes. And yes, and the next proposition is that given the fact that Mr. Mjiako appeared against the next day at Boksburg Magistrate Court,
nokuthi ke ngelanga elilandelayo wabe ese umnumzana uMjiako evela ke enkantolo yase Boksburg
on the 24th of June 2020 when you appeared before Magistrate Cronje for a confession.
Evela ke kuyona inkantolo yase Boksburg ngazo i-24 zika June 2020 ngesikhathi ke wenza ke istatement sokugonyuluka phambi kwakhe ke uMantshi uCronje.
And also given the fact that Mr. Mjiako made an appearance again at Tlhabane Court on the dates that we have demonstrated yesterday, the 13th of, according to Exhibit RR, 13th of July 2020.
Nokuthi futhi ke wabe ese evela ke enkantolo yase Tlhabane yena ke umnumzana uMjiako ama dates lana esiwashilo ke i-13 zika July 2020.
The 3rd of August 2020.
Nge-3 zika August 2020.
The 20th of August 2020.
I-20 ku August 2020.
The 5th of October 2020.
I-5 October 2020. Yeah.
The 11th of November 2020.
11 November 2020.
And that Ms. Chia from his firm appeared on the 22nd of January 2021.
Nokuthi ke uMs Chia wayebuya ke kwifirm ke asebenza kuyona ke umnumzana uMjiako uyena ke owaba senkantolo nge-22 kuJanuary 2021.
The 27 communication that we have referred to
no kuxhumana ke amahlandla la awu-27 esesiwashilo
between your number and Mr. Mjiako's number for the period 31 August 2020 to 28 October 2020.
Kuxhumana ke lokho phakathi ke kwenamba yakho kanye futhi nenamba yakhe ke umnumzana uMjiako isikhathi ke suka nge-31 August 2020 kuyofika ke nge-28 October 2020.
Mr. Mjiako's appearance for you at the Boksburg Magistrate Court on the 27th of October 2020 and 27th of November 2020.
Ukuvela ke kwakhe umnumzana uMjiako enkantolo eBoksburg ngazo 27 zika October 2020 nange-27 zika November 2020.
That based on that is indicative of the fact that there was attorney-client relationship between you and Mr. Mjiako.
Ukuthi ke ngenxa yako
when the question was, reference was made to the 23rd of October 2020, and my learned colleague mentioned something to the effect that there was an interaction between or amongst himself, Brigadier Gininda, Mr. Ntanzi and Mr. Mjiako, but that was never completed. I don't know what was said in relation to that in particular.
Yes, firstly, Council is referring to 23rd October. We did not refer to 23rd October. We referred to 23rd June 2020. That according to the evidence of Brigadier Gininda, that on the 23rd of June 2020 at Pretoria North Police Station, that there was interaction between him, Mr. Mjiako, and Mr. Ntanzi.
As the complices, on that basis, on that aspect of the proposition, I object and say that is unfair, man. What Gininda said, it's hearsay. Mr. Ntanzi denies that had an interaction with Mjiako in the press, Gininda, and Mr. Mjiako has been here to testify to confirm what Gininda has told us.
What did they say?
You're needing hearsay evidence.
Well, we putting the evidence of Brigadier Gininda. It's not hearsay. He was there. It's something that he himself experienced.
That's what he says.
Yes, and we've put his evidence on record.
Something like he says, what does Mujako say? Mujako is in the here.
No, but he's making a submission that he's quoting evidence of Gininda,
Yes, indeed, my lord.
not any other person.
Yes.
So as I understand it, if Rata says I play for Kaizer Chiefs, that can't be hearsay. Okay.
Yes, but we've seen Rata playing for Chiefs and Pirates.
Yes.
It can't be hearsay.
If I play for Pirates,
It's not-
1962 up to
Yes.
70, it's not hearsay. And I
But
play
have
for
we seen
Chiefs,
Mujako and Gininda and Ntanzi?
it's not hearsay. They have ruled. It's not hearsay.
That's the conclusion.
Okay.
Masiqadelela ke inkulumo leyo ke khala ke uthi ke umshushisi kona konke lokhu akushilo ke ngokufakazi bakhe uBrigadier Gininda ukuthi ke kwakhona ke ukuhlangana noma ke bandawonye ke ngazo i23 zika June 2020 uyena ke wayekhona umjiyako kanye futhi nawe ke uthi ke umshushisi uma kusho konke ke lokhu abesekushilo ke ekhuluma futhi nangokuxhumana ke lokwenzeka amahlandla awu27 ukuthi konke lokho kuyinkomba yokuthi ke kwakukhona ke ubudlelwane obabukhona phakathi kukamjiyako nanjengommeli kanye nawe nanjengo-IM.
Kosenkantolo kulaniqine.
My lord, that's not true.
Sokufana ukuthi ikhothe ngithi ukuyibeka lesithombeni. Osenkantolo mangiboshwe ngumhani nomabhena.
I would like to just put the court into the picture. Firstly, my lord, I was arrested by Mukhane and Mabena.
Mawufika ku station la kubhale inamba kaMkhane.
When you get to the police station, Mukhane's number is recorded there.
Ayibhalanga inamba ka.
Gininda's number is not recorded there.
Uginindi utshena ikhothe ukuthi bamfonele ePretoria North, Pretoria North or Pretoria North ngisakhumbula kahle.
Gininda informs the court that he received a call from, it's either Pretoria Mut or Pretoria North, I can't remember well.
Bayithatha phi inamba kaGininda mabemfonela ngoba ubhale inamba kaMkhane phansi.
Where to get Gininda's number because it's Mukhane's number that's recorded there.
Azange ngasanela uGininda kosenkantolo station angelanga le1.
Not a single day did Gininda ever sign for me at the police station.
Okwesithathu ayikho incwadi ekhombisa ukuthi lapha ngavakashelwa ilawyer police station.
Thirdly, my lord, there is no book that indicates there that a lawyer visited me at the police station.
Njengamanje lapho uGininda kuthiwa uBrigadier ayikho incwadi ayisayinile ukuthi ufikile kimi ePretoria North.
Right now, Gininda is referred to or called as a brigadier, but there is no book that he signed that he visited or he came to Pretoria North.
Umshushisi ngifundela incwadi yase Jimmy Sting Primrose wathi akukho okubhalwe khona ukuthi uGininda wa.
The prosecutor read out a book from Primrose that there is nowhere where it's recorded that Gininda came to see me.
Manje yena utshena ikhothe ukuthi wafika kimi nelawyer kuphi lapha sayine khona abhale.
Now he informs the court that he came to see me together with a legal representative. So where did he sign like a brigadier or as a brigadier?
Kosenkantolo akulona iqiniso lelo.
My lord, that's not true.
Nelawyer akazifike enkantolo.
Even the lawyer never came to me.
Yena ufikile kimi hamba nomkhula nomabhena akukho lapha abhale khona ukuthi wafika kimi nomkhula no.
He came to see me in the company of Mukhula and Mabena. Nowhere did he record that he came to me together with Mukhula and Mabena.
So lokwe lawyer kulona iqiniso.
So the issue of the lawyer is not true.
Ngiyayema lapho Nkosenkantolo.
Up to that, let's stop them.
Now, when you say Brigadier Gininda came to see you with Sergeant Mukhula and Mabena, which date are you referring to?
Uma uthi weza ke ezokubona ehamba noMukhula noMabena ukhuluma ngayiphi date?
Mina uGininda ufike gayiwana kimi ngise police station hamba nomkhula nomabhena.
It was only once when I was at the police station when Gininda came to see me in the company of Mukhula and Mabena.
Angikhulumi ngelanga lase boardroom khuma nje efika kimi nomkhula nomabhena ilanga le1 kwangena lawyer ngenani.
I'm not referring to the date of the boardroom, but it was only one day. He was in the company of Mukhula and Mabena. There was no lawyer.
Even kwawena mshushisi uthi wena utshena ikhothe uthi uGininda uthi bamfonela bayithatha phi inamba yakhe police station kuma inamba kaMkhane ebhalwe phansi.
Even you yourself, prosecutor, you are informing the court that Gininda says that they called him. Where did they get his number from? Because it's Mukhane's number that's there.
Okay, ilawyer afike police station izongivisit. Sekufanele ifonela amaphoyisa ukuthi izongivisit.
The lawyer comes to see me at the police station or comes to visit me at the police station. Must the lawyer now phone the police to inform the police that he came to visit me?
nangubaba uRamsipili uyafika ke emejele akaze ngibuze ukuthi ufanele umholi ufanele umlawuzi ufanele umkwene weza ke emejele zokuzela akaze ngibuze ngiqala ukuzwa namhlanje.
Yes, Mr. Ramusipile, he would come and visit me at the in prison or in prison. I've never heard him saying he called Mukhula, Mulawuzi or Mukwena. I'm hearing this for the very first time today.
Ingakho nje ikhona inkulumo ekhulumayo ingamanga ahlaza lona iqiniso.
Hence, I am telling the court that what is being said or what you are telling the court, it's lies. It's not the truth.
So we ask you a very simple question as to, you mentioned that Brigadier Gininda came to see you with Sergeant Mohola and Sergeant Mabena. We ask you as to when did that take place?
Sikubuze nje umbuzo olula the uBrigadier Gininda weza ezobona ehamba noMukhula noMabena. Siyabuza ukuthi kwakunini iliphi ilanga lelo.
Ilanga ngisakhumbula nesikhathi ngoba langa ayikho into engathi ngangikade ukuthi umuntu ufika ngasiphi isikhathi ufika ngalephi ilanga.
I can't remember the date as well as the time because there was nothing to me that would or where I was on the lookout or on the lookout for someone to come and see me and say that I was on the lookout for a particular day or that a particular person would come and see me.
Ngoba namanje nje mina ngimile phambi kwekatolo amsho nginamavika ay3 akukho lapho ngitshena khona ukuthi itanzi ngubophele lokhu nalokho why isiphi izathu zithungishushisa awukangitsheni lutho phambi kwekhona.
Even now as I'm standing before this court, you've been dealing with me for the
Welcome to the fire where the stakes ignite, where the questions burn hotter than the night. No escape once you're locked in the heat. This is your trial on the hot seat.